So today we'll be unboxing and testing the N-1 controller. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox, news, reviews and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, obliterate, destroy it. And let's jump into this unbox and testing with the PS5 as well. For this one, we'll actually need the cutter, and let's start doing the incision. It looks kind of nice, this one, as you can see. So let's open it. Interesting. So basically we have everything. The box is empty, and let's put it on the side. So this is the controller. Now compared to the other one, I can already see it feels a bit better, but this one is a bit more expensive, even though it's not quite like the Xbox one, but it looks a bit better. The buttons feel better. Just press the power button. Yeah, the controllers feel better. I think the other one still feels a bit more skinny. Overall, the buttons feel more like the Xbox One. It was supposed to have something here, because it's not. So we still don't have USB-C. Yeah, we don't need this either. We have the cable here and also the wireless connector. Okay, you can see it says Xbox One, PC and PS3. I don't have a PS3, but will definitively try it with the PS5. See if it works. So we also have guide or something. Yeah, we're not gonna need it now, so just put it on the side. Let's try and see if it works on Windows 7 on the games. So it looks like it finished. We got the same like with the other one before. Controller device unplugged, probably because it's not connected yet. And the two drivers installed. So let's close this, and then let's go in the emulation software and let's connect it. Let's see, maybe we have to press this button as well. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, probably, because I think now it's connected. So let's try and go to options, input, and it looks like it's here. And let's set up the buttons. Left, right. Yeah, so it's exactly like the other one. Same buttons we pressed before. Okay, now let's open a game and let's see how it works. Battle City. Now Alt and Enter and pressing button. So this is select now. So if I press select, I can select something else, and then this is start. Start one player. Start again. And we are playing. So with these buttons, and we are shooting with this one or this one. I'll go get the star. So that's how you play Battle City. Let's try another game as well. Circus, no, Galaxy maybe. Probably you know this game as well. Start for one player and let's play. Oh wait, I forgot the buttons. Whoa, they are coming. So now that we've seen it works, it should most probably work with the wire as well, but let's actually try it. So if we take this one out and let's connect the wire. So it looks like it's all blue. What's going on? Oh, maybe, I don't know, this cable doesn't go all the way in, so I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but whatever. Let's try again. Battle City, and it seems like it's not working. Maybe this cable is... Let's try this cable. It seems not to be working. Maybe with the cable it's just charging. Otherwise, I don't know. But at least it's working with the wireless Now let's try this on the PS5. So let's turn the PS5 on. Now it says PS5. Before it would say PS4. Okay, I'm gonna go here and let's connect the adapter. So I've just pressed the button and it's blinking. I'm gonna press the other button as well. It doesn't seem to do anything, just blinking. No, nothing. Let's try the cable then. Maybe we'll have some luck with cable, but I don't think so. No, it seems like nothing. It's not working on the PS5. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to check out this N-1 controller, and I'll see you on the next one.